What's up, guys and girls? This is James at Locking the Value and CopyMyCrypto.com, talking to you today about the wonderful world of crypto. Ethereum's broken out. Ethereum is at over $3,000, 3,100 and something. It's fantastic news. And I'm going to get into it and why in a second. As always, spreadsheet is updated. The first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel. These are all the coins I thought would do very, very well. All of them except Grin have done well. Phantom is highlighted because it was a Udemy course I did where I said Phantom would be the best investment of the year. Currently, it's up 143x from when I did the video, so that's pretty good. Only in a few of these now. The rest are in other projects that in this coming bull run are going to do better. And I'm really excited to share that on Copy My Crypto. I let you know what I'm getting into, why I'm getting into it, and simplify the process. If you're brand new to crypto, this is a nice, easy way for you to get started in terms of seeing and being exposed to an active portfolio and understanding how it works and why I do what I do. So if you are brand new to crypto, check out copymycrypto.com. Right, guys, Ethereum has broken out. It is properly starting to decouple from Bitcoin. It's great. And what does that mean? What does that mean? There's actually an article, interestingly, on CoinMarketCap from like December, I think, of this year, when Bitcoin broke, or January, when Bitcoin broke past 40 grand. And there's we know Bitcoin's sort of that starting point usually for the altcoin rally, but there's quite an interesting bit about Ethereum's the gatekeeper, right? So what we actually notice and what we always need to see is that there's price consolidation on Bitcoin and Ethereum needs to run. When there's price consolidation on Bitcoin and Ethereum starts running, it is a very good indicator of what is to come for the rest of the altcoins. I don't really feel like it's fair calling Ethereum an altcoin at this point, but it's alternative to Bitcoin, so technically. But yeah, so the Bitcoin, and this is the statement: the Bitcoin rally has to consolidate, and Ether's price needs to break out before altcoins can see a sizable rally. Now, I wouldn't say necessarily Bitcoin's exactly consolidating, but it isn't exactly blasting forward. It's doing well, a couple percent makes a huge difference when when your price is over 50 grand. But Ethereum running does indicate, because Ethereum's going to have to pull back and consolidate. Expectations around 3,500. There's a good article on Investing Cube. This author Crispus Niaga actually said about Ethereum hitting 3 grand a few weeks ago. He said it was on course, and he said that during the sell-off. So fair play to him. And he believes that the Ethereum's on course for 3,500, but that's your major level of resistance, and he's expecting a pullback on Ethereum. Now, if that's to happen, and it wouldn't. I sort of expect that too. To be fair, like, it's ran so well, so fast in the last 7 days, up like nearly 40%, staggeringly good. But if Ethereum starts pulling back and consolidating, altcoins are going to start running, right? We know altcoins come after Bitcoin, after Ethereum, but Ethereum's always been that sort of, it's like the ignition for the altcoin market. And as always, when Ethereum starts running, you see major Ethereum-based projects, particularly the DeFi ones, run quite hard. But that's not happening too much today. Maker's up about 11%. Matic, Polygon at 1.4, but it's had a staggeringly good run, hasn't it? Waves is smashing it today, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know where Compound is. I can't see it. There it is. Down, Compound down. So with Ethereum up 8.5% today so far. You've got to think maybe it runs a little more, but at some point there's going to be a bit of a sell-off and a consolidation period. And when that happens, altcoins, we should see the breakout that we've been waiting for. Now, it might not last ages before Bitcoin starts running again, but we are going to see the altcoins ready and waiting to sort of have this huge run. The only thing that will effectively stagger that is if Bitcoin starts running. If Bitcoin starts running hard, we know altcoins have a sell-off, people get into Bitcoin, and then when Bitcoin stops running, people get back into the altcoins. But the Ethereum breakout is a big indicator that we've got some real high green days in our future. And I'm seeing a lot of people going 10 grand Ethereum, 10 grand Ethereum, 10 grand Ethereum. Now, yeah, I mean, it's definitely feasible. 10 grand Ethereum slightly breaks the $1 trillion market cap. 3.3 recurring, yeah. So break $1 trillion reasonably well. And that definitely is feasible. Although if Ethereum were to do that, I would be expecting Bitcoin to be around the 120 to 180. 120 to 140 bracket. And we're not really anywhere close to that yet. We still need a good doubling and a bit more. And when that happens, we know that altcoins are going to suffer for a little bit. But right now, presuming Bitcoin doesn't have an enormous breakout, it looks like the altcoins are going to start running, which is really exciting to see, because we've had a bit of a stagnated period for a couple of weeks, like on off. So a real just boom breakout for the next 3 or 4 days would be beautiful. It's what we all want and what we all deserve. But it does, yeah, it's quite exciting. On another note, it still appears like Binance Chain is just every big hit or like big mover of the day at the moment is Binance Smart Chain. Absolutely every one of them. It's constant at the moment. And we're seeing we're seeing tons of them, tons and tons and tons of them really start to go wild. Although this one interested me, gas token. That's even more now. It was only at $120 earlier today. Yeah, but so keep an eye on those new cryptos around the Binance chain, because they move fast, but they also drop fast. I mean, all of these have dropped hard. Like some of these were up. I'm sure I saw Salt Swap yesterday up like 600% or something, and now it's down 54. So be very careful if you're getting into any of them, because they swing hard and they swing fast. Yes, down 54%. But yeah, it's up 7. Yeah, this is what I mean. So they really swing dramatically fast. So really, really, really do pay attention to the percentage gains, because you could end up just getting your ass handed to you with some of the Binance chain. Not that they're not brilliant, but just, be careful. Yeah, because yesterday, at one point it was at, one point yesterday it was at 48 cents. Then it was at, Jesus Christ, like $2.50, just shy of 2.48, and now it's more than half. So it is very, very easy to get destroyed on some of these coins. Don't jump in just because you're seeing it on a 300% run. It doesn't mean it's going to last, and there's a high likelihood it will pull back very hard, and very quickly. But Binance Chain is definitely like the coins being built on Binance chain are the ones in particular at the moment we're seeing with these huge 3-digit percentage gains in 24 hours. It's just the following day, a lot of them are getting wrecked. So really, really be careful on that. But otherwise, yeah, that's it from me, really. I'm just super hyped. Ethereum running now is a really good indicator that we're about to see an altcoin breakout, like a real one where we're seeing double-digit percentage gains on everything across the board, and that should be quite exciting. So yeah, keep an eye on the markets over for the rest of the week, because I think there's going to be some good swings if Ethereum does in fact have a little bit of a consolidation or a little bit of a sell-off, and it is really exciting. It's really bloody exciting. It's what we've been waiting for a while now. So yeah, that's it from me. How do you guys feel about the Ethereum gain train? Do you think it's signaling the start of a real altcoin run? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments section. As always, guys, check out Copy My Crypto. Like I say, if you're brand new to crypto, this really simplifies the process for you and makes things really easy, and you get valuable information and valuable insights to what. Okay, that's it from me. Bye bye.